Today I want to talk a bit about recreation, child development, child care. This is not a park in a part of the city. This is a play area in my complex, and it is just one of the few areas I've been seeing for children. So we've got this, and on another side I saw some other things. I want us to focus on it simply because I am just so excited about the emphasis that Latin America places on child development, on activity, on being mobile, on moving your body. So as I discovered after being here for such a long time, this is on the same level as the pool's steam room and the sauna. And much to my surprise, there's also a restroom fully equipped with baby changing stations and even accessible baths. There's a solarium as well. I point all of this out because although I've been here for 2 months and this is just one complex, there's still so much I've not seen. So when you are thinking Latin America, when you're thinking Colombia, don't lock yourself in a vacuum. Think outside the box. A lot of plans, a lot of thought went into setting up this area. And I'd mentioned before, this complete shopping center just across the road. And it also has a bridge that takes you over the street. So you really don't have to encounter with traffic. And the truth about it, traffic here is not very bad. So this is a part of Colombia that they don't talk about. And I am happy to be sharing my vantage point and to let you know that it's available. It's available for all of us. We just need to step out of our comfort zones a little bit more. We just need to let go of preconceived ideas. And we just need to become a little bit more adventurous. Now I'm going to be posting a little walkthrough of my apartment. Very nice apartment. Just so that you see how wonderful life can be here. Heading back to the elevators, and there are elevators that connect different levels. But before I do that, taking you a little closer to the shopping area. Yeah, there it is, just across the street. And this is the bridge that connects you. So just from the entrance, you will see people going in and out, running over to the shopping center, coming back with their grocery in hand. You can even leave the stove on, run to Exeter, which is the main supermarket in this area, grab your produce, head back home. So much to see and do. Look at these buildings. This one, I think, is the tower in front of us. This is like 30 stories, guys. They don't play here. And of course, Claro, for those of you in Jamaica who knew Claro, Claro is the telecommunications giant here in Colombia. Lots more to share. I hope you will stay and learn more about life in this part of Bello, Antioquia, north of Medellin. And of course, we are in Colombia.